At Broken Arrow Public Schools, we have initiated or implemented an apprenticeship program for high school students. As long as they're enrolled in high school in the 11th or 12th grade in Broken Arrow, they are eligible to apply for the apprenticeship program in the maintenance department. What that means is that student can go online, apply for the job, submit a resume. It's good practice for real life. Submit an application, come in for an interview. We interview the student. We see if they're a good fit, if they like us, if we like them.
What made me want to do this is there's many things you can do with HVAC. There's HVACR, like refrigerators and all sorts of things like that. Like, for example, if you get a quit trip and get a slushy, there's a compressor in there and all that involves HVAC, like at your house, any sort of building.
What made me want to go into this field? Well, it's a good career. HVAC is always going to be needed, so I decided it could be a good choice for my future. With this program, I can get some time off because when you get journeyman's license, you need a year of on-field duty. So I'm trying to get experience with this program.
I really just like working here because I get to go outside and I'm not cramped in a small room. I get to go around everywhere, moving around to all those different schools and even going to the PAC.
You're learning something that not many people get the opportunity to do because it's an internship and you're 16, 17 years old. It was just a really great learning opportunity to learn something that I can use throughout my life, whether it's fixing something related to plumbing, fixing something with my AC or heater. It'll just help me.
I think this is a really good opportunity because I get to earn not only money, but I get to work with other people who can help me in gaining more knowledge about this field.
What I plan on doing is I'm already getting my apprenticeship card, and then I'm going to work my way through, get my journeyman's license, hopefully contractor's license, and then eventually I hope to start a business in the future.
Looking forward with these apprentices, we're hoping that looking down the road, they've had some experience in working with the trades, whether it's electrical, mechanical, plumbing, construction, woodworking, carpentry. We're hoping that it'll open doors for them, whether it's through the Oklahoma Department of Career Tech, give them a view of what the future could look like on things they would want to do, and maybe experience something they don't want to do. It's still a positive experience for them.